Standard 11, Appendix problem 1.8. Calculate the number of times a human heart beats in the life of 100 years old man. Time of one heartbeat is 0.8 seconds. Okay, we have to find it out. The number of times a human heartbeat in the life of 100 years. Okay, so what is the life of man? Life of man is 100 years. Okay. Now 100 years include 76 normal years and 24 leap years. Here now we will get a question. Every 4 years we are getting a leap year. So it should be what? 75 normal years and 25 leap years. Okay. We have a question now. Now I will give you the answer for that. Now the calendar which we are using is called as the Georgian calendar. Okay. Now according to Georgian calendar, an year is a leap year if it is divisible by 4. But century years are not leap years unless they are divisible by 400. So that is what we are taking. 100 years include 76 normal years and 24 leap years. Okay. So now we can go for calculate total number of days in 100 years. That is 76 into 365 plus 24 into 366. So you are getting it as what? 36, 5, 24 days. Okay. So in this, how many number of seconds? Number of seconds in these days, that is 36, 5, 24 into 24 hours into 60 minutes into 60 seconds. So you are getting it as 3.155 into 10 raised to 9 second. Okay. So what is total number of heartbeats? Number of heartbeats. That is total number of seconds divided by time period of heartbeats. So what is your total number of seconds? That is 3155 into 10 raised to 9 divided by time period of one heartbeat is 0.8. So you are getting it as 3.94 into 10 raised to 9. So total number of heartbeats in a lifespan of 100 years is how much? 3.94 into 10 raised to 9.